Why we sneeze. It's body's first line of defense against potential invaders that enter through the nose, including allergens, viruses, and bacteria. Do you know sneezes' speed? Sneezes travel over 75 miles per hour, and it's impossible to keep your eyes open when sneezing. You can try yourself, but always cover your mouth with tissue or flexed elbow. Guinness World Record for longest sneezing holds by a British lady. Donna Griffith's sneezing lasted for 977 days. Never suppress a sneeze. It can rupture an eardrum or can cause a throat injury or internal injuries.